welcome back to another video. Welcome to a productive and realistic day in my life. So on this particular day, my goal was to wake up at 5 a.m. As you saw, that did not happen, which I think a lot of us can relate to. Now, I don't try to wake up this early every single day. It's only on the days where I have an early a.m. workout class, which on this day I did. And when I do have my early morning classes, I like to start off my day with making my AG1 greens just so I can get all of my nutrients and vitamins for the day. I like to take this on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. Here I am just getting ready for my class. I am going to do my morning routine as well before I head out, which is just my gratitude journal, setting my intentions, writing my to-do list for the day. I like to make sure that no matter what I'm doing that day, I start off my day doing my morning routine. That is a non-negotiable. Good morning, guys. Welcome to a new video. Today is going to be like a realistic / productive day in my life. I didn't get to talk to you earlier because I actually woke up later than intended. My plans were to wake up at 5 a.m. and I didn't wake up until 5:45 or whatever time it was, which is pretty realistic. You know, some days don't go according to plan. But I just got back from my Pilates class. I don't wake up at 5 a.m. every single day or try to wake up at 5 a.m. every day. I only wake up that early when I am taking a Pilates class. That's the only time that really works for me and my schedule. So it's either I wake up at 5 a.m. so I could go to Pilates, or I don't go to Pilates. So that is the sacrifice I make. And I'm not gonna lie, I was tempted to cancel my Pilates class when I realized that I slept in a bit. But I was like, you know what? We are not doing this in 2023. We are not canceling workout classes unless we actually really need the rest, of course. So I'm really proud of myself and I'm really glad that I didn't cancel because I always feel so amazing afterwards. I feel so good mentally and physically after a workout class. But right now I'm just making myself some breakfast. I'm making a like Greek yogurt fruit bowl, and then I am going to shower and get ready for the day. We have a pretty busy day. That's what my morning has been like. I would say that's pretty realistic. You know, there are some days where you wake up super motivated and ready to take on the day, and then there are other mornings like today where you're tempted to not show up for yourself. I'm really glad that today kind of started out the way that it did, because I feel like today was a real good example of how some days can be, and that, you know, regardless, I'm still showing up and doing my best. And, you know, not every day is going to be perfect, but as long as we try. Here's my quick little breakfast that I just made. It's just a Greek yogurt fruit bowl. I have Greek yogurt, bananas, strawberries, blueberries, and then I'm also trying out this new granola mix. I haven't tried this one yet. They were out of the one that I like at the store, so I just thought that I would give this one a try. It says it has almonds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, maple syrup, cashew, seedless raisins, walnuts, dried coconut, and flax seeds. So we will see how this one tastes. It's by the brand Simple Truth. I just tried the granola. I like it for the most part. I think it's pretty good. The taste is good. It's just the raisins that are kind of throwing it off for me, but other than that, very good. I just took the longest shower ever. It felt so good and I feel so refreshed. Right now I'm just doing my skincare. I just put on my Smooth Landing Advanced Retinoid Eye Balm by Versed. And then I also just got the updated formula of the Advanced Protection Cream by Osea. So they just came out with a new formula this year. I really, really like this moisturizer. It is such a thick and creamy consistency, which has been so wonderful with my dry skin, you know, during the winter time. I love all of Osea's products, as you know. I've talked about them on my channel before. I am obsessed with their Hyaluronic C Serum. Another product that I'm absolutely obsessed with is their body butter. This with their body oil is like the perfect formula to get glowy, smooth, moisturized skin. I am down to the very last bit of it and I'm trying to make it last. I'm definitely gonna re-up on this, and it smells so good. And this is like the perfect combination. Yeah, I also have a code for Osea where you could get, I think it's 10% off or 20%, I have to double check. I will leave the products in the description bar along with my code if you're interested in trying out any of their products. And then for sunscreen, I'm doing the Super Goop sunscreen. The name kind of wore off already, but I believe this is the Glow Screen. A little bit tinted. I don't know if I'm going to put on makeup today because I'm just gonna be in the house, but you know, sometimes I like to put on makeup just to feel a little bit more put together. So we'll see what I do, but I do know that I will be blow drying my hair today. I like to give myself a blowout. Sorry, I have like something in my eye. I like to give myself a blowout at least like once or twice a week. So since I will be blow drying my hair, I'm going to be using the Odell's Leave-In Detangling Tonic. This is just going to help hydrate and also protect my hair from heat and things like that. Oops, I got it all over. I will also be using their leave-in conditioner just to help with detangling, frizz, and leave my hair feeling smooth and soft. I really have been liking both of these products together. I picked these up from Target, but I will be sure to leave a link below if you are in the need of hair care products as well. I really neglected my hair in the past, just from like life and stress and things like that, so I'm really trying to, you know, take care of it as much as possible. Okay, so products are in. I like to let my hair air dry about like 80-90% of the way through, that way I'm not damaging it too much. So while my hair air dries, I think I'm gonna make myself a coffee and actually get ready for the day. I want to feel a little bit put together today, and that is how our morning is going so far. So
culture, we talk about things going on in the world. But like, you know, we bring on
stuff
guests.
like this now,
You're gonna
like,
force have to.
Ooh, shut the vlog.
Huh?
Shut the vlog.
No, it's an interview focused show where we
Look
talk
at
to
that.
our actual friends. We talk to friends we want, like aspiring friends
That looks really good.
want to be friends with. We talk to show you that you can personally empowering and something that you organize my whole pantry and closet this weekend. You have to take bite-sized experience. Again, sometimes lidded. I mean, the same is true for drawers. If you don't have a drawer, things are.
I've been editing for a few hours now. I just made myself a little snack. Don't you just love when healthy you goes grocery shopping? I know I do. I was really craving hot Cheetos, but healthy me went grocery shopping. So we're eating oranges. I finished the vlog. It's uploading, downloading. I'm exporting it right now, is what I was trying to say. Anyways, I'm gonna clean up right now and I need to start dinner soon. Luna, oh my goodness. What are you doing? You are so funny. What are you doing, cutie? Okay, so I just have my chicken cooking right now. I did boneless, skinless chicken thighs and I just seasoned it with garlic powder, salt, and pepper, and I'm just letting it cook all the way through. It still has a few more minutes to go. And then once this is done, I will take it out and then add my veggies in. And for veggies, for this dish, I typically just chop up whatever I have in my fridge. Right now I had bell pepper, carrots, zucchini. This is either zucchini or squash, red onions, and then I chopped up some green onions for toppings as well. And then for sauces, you could really use anything. There's no right or wrong way to do this recipe. Oyster flavored sauce. I absolutely love this sauce. I use this for my chicken stir fry. And then I'm going to add a little bit of this teriyaki marinade sauce. And then I have rice cooking as well. This is a super simple recipe. Right now I have on the Primrose Facial Cleansing Mask by Aesop or Aesop. I think it's Aesop. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. I actually got this and a whole package from my friend Michaela. She sent me a bunch of their products to try out, which I'm so grateful for. So I'm gonna leave this on for about 15 minutes. It's already kind of drying up already. I can feel it tightening up. It did burn a little bit when I first applied it, but now it's like completely fine. So I think I'm gonna leave this on for about 15 minutes, and then for the rest of the evening I'm just going to unwind. So with that being said, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end my vlog here. I hope that you enjoyed following me around today in this realistic, productive day in my life. If you enjoyed this video, I would so appreciate if you could like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post next. And I will see you all in the next one.